Hello, dear grade 5 students. Now it's time to start week 5 in semester 1, lecture 3. It is about parts of a paragraph. Are you ready? Follow me. How to write a hamburger paragraph. Can we write hamburger paragraphs? What has hamburger to do with paragraphs and writing paragraphs? Do you want to know? Then let's continue. First of all, let's play this short, quick game. The game's name is Do You Know? On the left, we have a list of words, paragraph, main idea, and detail. On the right, we have like short explanations. 1. What the story or paragraph is mostly about. 2. Sentences that support the main idea. 3. A group of sentences that includes a main idea and details. Now we have to match each word to its explanation. Paragraph. When we have a paragraph, remember when you see in front of you a paragraph, what do you see? Sentences. So I have a group of sentences. And these sentences, are they related or not? Yes, they are related because they talk about one idea. So they talk about the same idea. So what is the explanation for a paragraph? A paragraph is a group of sentences that includes a main idea and details. We continue now. We have to match the main idea to its explanation and the detail to its explanation. What the story or paragraph is mostly about and sentences that support the main idea. When I say main idea, I mean it's a main thing in a paragraph. So it's the general and main idea that I'm talking about. So when we say main idea, we mean what the story or paragraph is mostly about. And when we say a detail, we mean the sentences that the main idea that support the main idea. Okay, let's move on. Now it's time to start with the hamburger. What has hamburgers to do with the paragraphs? Notice here the drawing of the hamburger. I have top bun, I have lettuce, tomato, cheese, meat, and I have the bottom bun. Notice what's written on the top bun. It's the introductory sentence. In the middle, I have details. The lettuce, tomato, and cheese and meat are the details, and the bottom bun is the closing sentence. So here you see how we are comparing the paragraph or parts of the paragraph to the hamburger sandwich. As the hamburger sandwich is a combination of parts, the paragraph is a combination of parts. At the top or at the beginning, I have the top bun. So in the paragraph at the beginning, I have the introductory sentence. In the middle, I have the ingredients here in the hamburger sandwich. So in the middle of the paragraph, I will find the details. At the end of the sandwich, I have the bottom bun. And at the end of the paragraph, I have the closing sentence. You see now the comparison? Let's move in details through every part. We start with the top bun, which is the introductory sentence. The introductory sentence introduces the reader, you see, introduces the reader. Introductory introduces the reader to the topic of your paragraph. We are telling the reader about the topic, the main idea of the paragraph. Try to make it exciting. Why it should be exciting? One way to attract the reader to continue reading your paragraph is to have an exciting introductory or topic sentence. We should have an exciting introductory or topic sentence. How? Let's take this example. On warm summer days, I love trying to catch butterflies. Okay? You see, this is the topic. This is the topic sentence. It's at the beginning of the paragraph. This is the first thing at the beginning of the paragraph. And the topic sentence must tell the reader about the topic. On warm summer days, I love trying to catch butterflies. It talks about catching butterflies on summer days. Then, after the topic sentence, I have the details, then the concluding sentence. Let's read them. I have so much fun running around in my backyard chasing after the pretty butterflies that go zooming by. If I am lucky enough to catch one, I never keep it for very long. After all, butterflies belong in their natural habitat. I sure can't wait until next summer so that I can grab my net and catch some butterflies. Okay, so the details talk about catching butterflies in summer. But there is something very important you have to know about introductory or topic sentences. Each topic sentence contains two main things: the topic and the main idea. The topic is the big idea, the general idea that I'm talking about, and the main idea is the idea that I'm going to support it with my details. It's the idea that I'm going to relate to the details. For example, here, the topic is the summer days. I'm talking about summer days, okay? And what I do on summer days is the main idea, which is here catching butterflies. Okay, so here the topic is summer days, warm summer days, and the main idea is trying to catch butterflies. So you see, in each topic sentence, I have topic and main idea, and the main idea is the one that I support with my details. Something very important you have to know about every paragraph you write. You see here, you notice the space before the topic sentence. The space here is very important and we call it an indent. And without an indent, I will lose marks in writing. Pay attention, okay? In brief, I repeat, the topic sentence is the introductory sentence at the beginning of the paragraph. It should be preceded with an indent, and every topic sentence contains a topic, which is the general idea, the big idea, and the main idea, which is the idea I'm going to support in my details. This is the main idea. Main points, reasons, or examples. What are these main points, reasons, or examples? Be sure to add at least three reasons or three examples or main points that support the introductory or topic sentence. So, in order to support the introductory or topic sentence, I have to support it with details. And these details are the main points, reasons, or examples. These reasons, examples, or points are the lettuce, tomato, cheese, and meat of the paragraph. So you see now, as I have lettuce, tomato, cheese, and meat in the hamburger sandwich, I have the details, the main points, reasons, and examples in the paragraph. Be sure to add delicious details. The details should be delicious, attracting, okay? A good paragraph includes details that describe or tell about the main points or reasons. They must tell about the main points or reasons related to the topic. For example, my topic is about my trip to Turkey. Can I talk in the details about my trip to the circus show? For sure, no. My details should be delicious, should relate to my trip to Turkey because my topic is about my trip to Turkey. Details should be delicious or interesting. You see how I'm comparing the details to the ingredients in the sandwich? Details should be delicious or interesting. When you write a hamburger paragraph, compare your details to all of the yummy parts of the paragraph. All the yummy parts of a hamburger, such as lettuce, tomato, cheese, and meat. Okay, let's continue. Add delicious details. Again, I repeat, your elaboration should describe or tell about your main points. Pay attention, your main points. They should stick to the topic. They should stick to the topic. Which detail doesn't quite belong here? Let's take this as an example. Let's see here what is the ingredient or the detail that doesn't belong to this paragraph. Are you ready? Let's start. I really love my brother. This is what? This is the topic sentence. Okay? I really love my brother. The main idea, loving my brother. I have to tell why I love my brother. So I start with the details. Now the details should talk about the main idea, which is loving my brother. His name is Jeff and he is super funny. This is reason one, super funny. So this one relates to the topic sentence. Okay? So it belongs. It's delicious. Second one of my favorite things to do with my brother is playing video games. Okay? And this one also is related to my brother. He always beats me. Also, I am still talking about my brother. Sometimes my sister cries at night. Okay, stop a second. My sister? What has my sister to do here? There are question marks here about my sister. I'm talking about my brother, and the topic is about my brother. So, what should my sister do here? It doesn't work. So, does this detail belong to this paragraph? No, this detail doesn't belong to this paragraph, so I must remove it. So, you see, it's very important to stick to the topic. That's why we say stick. You see, concentrate on this word, stick to the topic. We talk about one topic. And now we end the paragraph. Maybe my brother will play a video game with me tonight. Easy. The trouble with too much details. Okay, we said we have to stick with the details related to the topic. That's right. But also adding too much details is boring. We cannot add too much details to a paragraph. We have to stick to maximum 5 to 8 details. How would a hamburger taste if it had ketchup, mustard, mayonnaise, pickles, lettuce, tomatoes, barbecue sauce, Swiss cheese, spicy cheese, and olives on top? Too much, right? It's not delicious at all when you add all of these ingredients. So it's the same when you add too much details. A writer can add too much detail to a paragraph as well. Paragraphs should be about 5 to 8 sentences long. Only 5 to 8 sentences long. The paragraph must be 5 to 8 sentences long. If if your paragraph is pages and pages long, you will eventually lose the interest of your reader. So the reader will be bored, will not like to read it anymore, and he will not become attracted to continue reading your paragraph. So you have to pay attention and you have to stick to 5 to 8 sentences in a paragraph. An example of just right detail. Let's see the right details here. Okay, and a well organized paragraph with topic, sentence, some details, and concluding sentence. Remember first, a good 5th grade paragraph should be about 5 to 8 sentences long, maximum. Let's first count the sentences here. Sentence 1, my favorite till potatoes. 1 till great is 2. I till time is 3 sentences. That till throat is 4 sentences. And I till day is 5, the 5th sentence. So I have 5 sentences. This is a perfect paragraph. Okay? You can just you can add maximum 3 more sentences so they can become 8 sentences. Okay, so pay attention. In order to have a good 5th grade paragraph, your paragraph should be 5 to 8 sentences maximum. Let's read the paragraph. My favorite school lunch is chicken nuggets with mashed potatoes. If you notice here, first of all, I have an indent. That's right. Then I start with my topic sentence. My favorite school lunch is chicken nuggets with mashed potatoes. Okay? Where is the topic? Let me ask you a question here. Where is the topic in this sentence and where is the main idea? Again, I repeat, in each topic sentence we have a topic and main idea. The topic is the general big idea and the main idea is the one that I have to support in the details. Okay, so here the kid is talking about his favorite school lunch, which is chicken nuggets. Though, so the general idea is favorite school lunch. This is the topic. I I will put TOP topic. And what is the main idea? It's chicken nuggets with mashed potatoes. This is Main idea, I will put I on. Let's continue now. So the details should relate to the main idea, chicken nuggets with mashed potatoes. One reason why I love this lunch so much is that it tastes so great. So the taste. I also love being able to smell the yummy nuggets hours before it's even lunch time. The creamy mashed potatoes and the gravy just slide down my throat. This is the third detail. Now I have to close my paragraph with a concluding sentence. I can't wait until the next chicken nugget day. Okay, let's continue. Let's review. So far, we have learned that a hamburger paragraph needs a top bun or introductory sentence. The introduction should introduce the reader to your topic. We also learned that good paragraphs contain 3 to 6 supporting sentences. Pay attention here, 3 to 6 supporting sentences with one topic sentence and one concluding sentence. They will become maximum 8 that tell more about the introductory sentence. These main points, examples, or details can be compared to the ingredients of a hamburger, such as the lettuce, tomato, cheese, and hamburger patty. So till now I have introductory sentence. I have a 3 to 6 supporting sentences. But what's missing? Think of it. What's missing? The bottom bun of the sandwich, the concluding sentence of the paragraph. Okay? The bottom bun of a hamburger helps hold all of the ingredients together. It works with the top bun to keep the meat, cheese, tomato, and lettuce from falling on the floor. So, in order to hold in the ingredients, we have to add a bottom bun to the hamburger. The same to the paragraph. In order to wrap up or close your paragraph, you have to add a concluding sentence. The concluding sentence of a paragraph helps hold all of the sentences together. It works with the introductory sentence to keep the details from falling apart. The concluding sentence should be interesting and let your reader know that you are finished writing. It wraps up everything. Or, in other words, we can say that the concluding sentence restates or tells again about the topic sentence but in different words, and it shows that the writer has finished writing his paragraph. So now you know exactly what it takes to cook up a delicious hamburger paragraph. It's your turn to go and practice the worksheet. And I'm waiting for you tomorrow in the live session. If you still have any questions, you can ask me tomorrow and I can answer you. Stay safe. Bye bye.